EBOX, Guangzhou Bags and Cases Technology Company Limited, established in 2009 year, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of backpacks, bags, camera bags, digital bags, trolley bags. We are located in Guangzhou. It is very near to Guangzhou Baiyun Airport, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 CE certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as USA, South America, European, and Middle East. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. EBOX special advantages: 1. Forward-looking creative design ability, front-end trend information from global customers, in-depth cultivation of the market. 2. EBOX has strictly quality control process and the QC team management quality stability system. 3. EBOX guarantee the shortest and on-time delivery in bags field. 4. The best cost performance and the lowest price, but higher quality in bags field. Long-term cooperation with European, American, and global brand customers, hypermarkets, chain brand merchants, large and medium-sized import traders, network platforms, and online brand customers.